Hey everyone, want Google Docs to read your documents out loud for you? This feature is perfect for proofreading, studying, reviewing reports, or simply listening to your document instead of reading it yourself. Not everyone has access to this feature. The built-in Google Docs Read Aloud tool is currently available only with eligible plans, including Google AI Pro, Gemini Ultra, Google Workspace Education, Business Standard and Plus, and Enterprise Standard and Plus. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Google Docs read aloud using the new built-in audio feature. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. I'm already here in a Google document right now. Once your document is open, go to the top menu bar and click on Tools. A list of options will appear. Look for the audio option and click on it. This is a newer Google Docs feature that allows you to listen to your documents using text-to-speech. When you open the audio menu, you'll see two options: Listen to this tab, and Listen to Document Summary. If you want Google Docs to read your entire document aloud, go ahead and select Listen to this tab. As soon as you click it, an audio player will appear on the screen. Depending on your setup, you may see it on the left side of the document or floating over the page. Google Docs will begin reading the text aloud using text-to-speech. Pretty cool! Now let's take a closer look at the audio controls. You'll see the play and pause button. Use this anytime you want to start or stop the reading. One thing I really like is that the audio player can be dragged anywhere on the screen. So if it's blocking part of your document, just click and drag it to a different location. Next, let's talk about playback speed. You'll notice a speed control option on the audio player. This allows you to slow down or speed up the reading voice. If you want slower reading for studying or proofreading, try a speed around 0.5. If you're reviewing a long document and want to get through it faster, you can increase the speed all the way up to 2. Feel free to test different speeds until you find the one that's most comfortable for you. Now let's customize the voice. Click the three dots menu on the audio player. From the menu, select Change Voice. You'll see an option called Select a Voice. Click it. Google Docs currently offers several different voice types for text-to-speech. You can preview each voice before making your choice. Simply listen to the samples and choose the voice that sounds best to you. Once you've found your favorite voice, click Select. Now your document will be read using that voice going forward. Inside the same menu, you'll also find a few additional options. There's an Insert Audio option. You can also use Send Feedback if you'd like to share suggestions with Google. And if you encounter a problem, there's a Report Abuse option as well. These options can help improve the overall experience and allow Google to fix issues more quickly. So that's how easy it is to make Google Docs read aloud to you. Just open your document, go to Tools, select Audio, choose Listen to this tab, and use the built-in player to listen, adjust speed, change voices, and control playback. This is a great feature for students, writers, researchers, professionals, and anyone who prefers listening over reading. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.